In this session, we'll be learning how to use a match function. First of all, match function is used to get the position of a particular thing. For example, we have a number of things listed here. We want to say what is the position of charger. So for that, we'll be using match function. Here equals match, M-A-T-C-H, match, open bracket, lookup value, that is charger, means which values position we have to find, that is this E3 column we'll be changing the name, so E3 cell we'll be selecting, comma, lookup array, that is this data, and comma, here it will be asking 1 less than, or normally we'll select 0 to get an exact match, 0, and close the bracket, hit enter. You can see charger. The charger, for your easy reference, I myself has put at the positions. So charger, that is the 4th position. So now let's say box, box, box. You can see box is 5th position, that is 1 1 2 3 4 5, 5th position. So this is how the match function is used. Match function is used to get the exact position number of the given value or a lookup value. I hope this session gave you a nice idea about match function. Thanks for watching.
If you liked the video, then share and subscribe. Detail Excel course link is in the description.